Want your Canon camera photos to look more vibrant, sharper, or even cinematic right out of the camera? With picture style settings, you can fine-tune the look of your shots without any editing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the picture style on your Canon camera. Let's jump in and customize your look. Method 1. From the Q menu. First, turn on your camera, then press the Live View button. It looks like a camera icon with a red dot on it. Now press the Q button. Next, use the arrow button. You can use the touchscreen to select the picture style icon. It looks like a small rectangle with sliders. Then press Set. And look at the below. You'll see more options like Auto, Standard, Portrait, Landscape, Neutral, Faithful, and more. Choose one of them which styles that you like. Then press the Set button to save it. Method 2. From the main menu. Turn on your camera, then press the menu button. After that, click on the right arrow button to go to the second camera icon tab. Here you can find the picture style option. Click on it and select which style you want. So folks, that's how you can change the picture style on your Canon camera. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.